Hello rainbows, welcome back. This is part 12 of the animals, and today I'm going to be speaking about this powerful reptile, the alligator, guardian of the first waters, keeper of primordial power. Before temples were built, before gods were given names, before fire learned to speak, there was the alligator. In the oldest memories of humanity, the alligator is not merely an animal. It is a survivor of the worlds before this one, a living reminder of the age when Earth was still forming her bones. The ancients believed the alligator came from the first waters, the dark, silent womb of creation where land had not yet been separated from sea. Its body carries that memory, armored like a mountain, floating like a dream, moving like a shadow, striking like lightning. It is both earth and water made alive. In many ancient traditions, the alligator and its sacred twin, the crocodile, was believed to be one of the first life forms created, a being that survived multiple worlds resets, a remnant of the time when gods and monsters walked together. In Mesoamerican traditions, a giant cosmic crocodile was said to be the foundation of Earth itself, the land resting on the back of a monstrous reptile floating through the primordial seas. In Mayan cosmology, the crocodile or alligator was linked to the first morning, the birth of the sun, the emergence of time. It symbolized the moment when chaos becomes order. Welcome to this series about this amazing reptile, the alligator.